Hello, hello. Happy New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year proper, everybody. So, this is the first real talking video we've been in, isn't it?
Yeah, for a while. We've been really busy. We were poorly just before Christmas, and then obviously we went to Scotland for Christmas. Make sure you watch that video. It's a great video. Yeah. Beautiful place, isn't it?
It was lovely. We stayed just outside of Kirkcudbright, and Dumfries and Galloway. We went up to Galloway Forest Park on Boxing Day.
Boxing Day. Anyway, I'm sure Graham's just filmed Freya update on her. Her tail's healed really well, thank goodness.
Yeah.
Thank goodness, because if this op hadn't have worked, it may have been sort of full amputation of her tail. So we're really happy, and the vet's really happy with how her tail's healed.
And she's really happy. We've made some contraptions, haven't we, to protect that tail over the past couple of 4 weeks.
It's worked though.
It's worked. It's still not fully healed, but it seems to be healing over now really, really well. And she's not messing with it. And as Shell said, the hair's growing back. Here she is again.
Whee!
Woo! Oh, are you on the crusty bit? So the fur's growing back. Her bone seems to be covered over now, doesn't it? Because it was cut real close to the bone. So, and she doesn't seem to be irritated by it.
She's not paid much attention to it, which is great, because the vet said it might get really itchy, and therefore she'll start paying lots of attention to it, and then it just opens up, and that's why they have to amputate. But she's not really paid much attention to it, has she?
No.
So anyway, that's great. Quick update: house is still not sold, so we're obviously still doing viewings for that.
We had our first viewing again last weekend, so
fingers crossed.
It goes quick, because we want out now. We're all packed up. We're done. For us, we'd moved out, hadn't we?
All our stuff's in storage.
Yeah. And Maximus is completely confused. He keeps talking about the lady with 5 children who was coming to move in, or 4 children. He's completely discombobulated. He keeps wanting to drive past the new house, which is...
he's a bit mixed up, isn't he? Bless him. Bless him.
Anyway, so we're in the new year. We've had weather for the past, all the way through December. We had the rain, then the cold. Yeah. And then we were away for Christmas, obviously. We're
hoping to get some dry days, aren't we, to continue on with the van build.
Hopefully. And just at the moment, we took the batteries out before Christmas, and we got a DESULFATOR and a slow charger, because Maximus drained the batteries down. Because
he likes playing with the window wipers.
And lights, and doors open and doors closed, and whilst we were doing all the work in the summer.
He knows his way around the engine now anyway, doesn't he?
Well, he knows how to put water in, doesn't he? So
more than I do.
More than you do, yeah. So I took the batteries out before Christmas, and I hooked them up to a DESULFATOR, and there's a little bit of footage now coming up for that one.
Also, we are hoping to go away. We've got respite this weekend.
So
we're hoping to go away. So we'll probably film some bits of where we go. We're not sure where we're going yet, but we'll see. But we need a break.
Possibly York.
Possibly.
We'll see.
Anyway, that's where we're up to.
Yeah. So we'll show you. I'll talk about this battery now. So you've just seen me take the batteries out, and if you're new around here, they're fairly new batteries. They must have been not long new when we bought the van, looking at it. But Maximus likes to switch the lights on. He likes to put the window wipers on and squirt the washer bottles, and he did that a lot during the summer whilst I was working away. So what we're going to try and do is repair these batteries. So we've got the trickle charger, which we're going to give them a trickle charge first. I'm just going to take a reading off one. We'll do one at a time because I can't charge two at a time. So that one is reading 12 volts dead on. So the first job will be to put the trickle charger on, and this is a 0.5 amp trickle charger, and it's a smart trickle charger, so we'll get that one going, and then once it's had a good charge for a while, we'll get this desulfator on, and what this does, it sends a high frequency pulse through the battery, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other, and it allows then, or it's supposed to, decrystallize the sulfates that are built up on the battery plates, because each battery has plates in, and those plates, the ions move between, if you understand battery chemistry or you don't, but the ions move between the one side to the other, and that's how you build your electrical charge. And when you put charge in, they move to one side and they store, and then when you take charge out, they move back around and it discharges. And what happens is if a battery is discharged too far, sulfates build up on the plate, so the chemicals in the water, they crystallize on the plate, so the plates can't move the ions freely, and obviously the sulfate doesn't contain as much conductive material because it's all crystallized on the plates. So I think it's 10,000 hertz this moves at. That will move the batteries through. So we know these two together go in the van, and they're not starting the van at the moment because they can't. They show us holding over 12 volts, but they're not holding enough amperage for the drop charge. So the plates must be sulfated. So we'll get it on. We'll get it on trickle charge to start off with, one at a time, and then go from there. So this charger is automatic, the 2 points on, and that can charge away. It was at this moment I knew I'd messed up. This video has been in the making since before Christmas, and in that time I've made several videos. Unfortunately, in the process, I've deleted the footage of me using the desulfator. I'm currently sat in a travel lodge in Tadcaster, so there's no chance of me showing you before Sunday. Suffice to say, I use the desulfator on both the batteries, and I would swap between the desulfator and the trickle charger. All in all, it's a cold one this morning, and I'm just going to get these batteries back in. We're going away today, but I'm going to get these batteries back in. And as you've probably just seen, I took them out before Christmas, and they've then been on a cycle of using the desulfator, then the trickle charger, then the desulfator again. So we've got them both back in the van. I treated some of the rust treatment in here, and you can see that's in there now, and I'm going to put the batteries back in and see how they've done. This one is back up to 100%. It wasn't charging to 80% when I started, but after, well, it's probably about 10 days of using the desulfator and then the trickle charger, and then using the desulfator again and the trickle charger, this one is now holding 100%. This one, unfortunately, is only back up to about 90%, but I'm hoping that they're repaired enough that they're going to be able to start the van, but only time will tell, and I'm going to put them in now. Let's see how he's got on. Let's let him warm up a couple of times. He's cold. Oh dear. So I think that second one not taking charge has spelt the end. I don't think it helps that he's not been started. I'm going to jump him and then we'll see how we get on. Right, I've let him run for an hour. It's not really, well, I suppose it is a fair test because you want your batteries to be able to start your van no matter what, but
it was very cold.
It was very cold, and he's not been run since before Christmas, so he needed a boost as well.
He did.
When it drops for the amperage for starting the van, it's obviously not enough. But we'll give it a try when we get back. We'll leave him a couple of days and then see if he starts without a jump. But for now, we're going to drop Maximus's stuff off and then
we're off. And we'll let you know where. Bye for now.
We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Take care. Right, Maximus. Should we open this box?
So what does this say?
Maximus, Michelle, Graham and Freya.
And it's come all the way from America. One of our lovely subscribers called Rob.
Yes.
Open it. Let's see what's in. Oh. Open it.
It's very kind of him, isn't it?
It certainly is. Look, let's check.
Wow.
What have we got?
Oh, look.
Look.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. You've got a little Toy Story.
Woody.
It was Woody.
With his hats and soldiers. Cowboy,
It's yours. Cowboy.
His face cowboy.
It's
Proper
yours.
pet dispensers, look.
Oh,
They're proper American.
It's
aren't they?
Santa.
brilliant.
It's an elf, a Pez dispenser. I'll show you how they work in a minute.
Wow.
There's two Pez dispensers. There's the gingerbread man and an elf. Santa hat kisses.
Wow.
There's loads in here then, isn't there? Let's put them there. Santa hat kisses. Some marshmallows.
Oh,
Fire.
who likes marshmallows?
Me.
Do you love marshmallows?
Yes.
Isn't this a lovely parcel?
Mike and Ike, tropical typhoons.
Wow.
And proper nerds.
How amazing. Proper American treats.
Some more marshmallows.
This has come all the way from across the pond. Oh, you've got more marshmallows, Maximus.
Some more Mike and
Can
Ike.
I open that marshmallow tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow, yes.
Yes.
Some mini marshmallows.
Oh, so many marshmallows.
And some Dove chocolates.
Wow.
And
We have two.
some brownie brittle.
That's
Oh,
too
that
many.
sounds nice. That's right.
Some twist and shout, which look
How
like very much like Oreo,
lovely.
don't they?
It's just too many.
And some Hershey's.
Oh, love Hershey's.
Oh, very
It is
American
too many.
candies.
Wow.
that's a
Look
lovely
at what a
gift, isn't it?
beautiful gift.
It is too many.
It is too many, isn't it?
It is too many, but people are very
That's
kind.
very kind of Rob.
Rob
isn't it?
is so
You're
kind.
going to say thank you to Rob.
Thank you, Rob.
And wish
Say
him Merry
again.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say thank you, Rob. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Rob. Happy Christmas.
That's it,
Oh.
lovely. Well, look at all.
Thank you so much, Rob. Thank
That's
you.
amazing. Thank you.
Amazing. It's
Right,
cheered us
so-
up. It really has.
Definitely. Let's see the Pez dispenser. Come and see this, what you do.